Today I'll be making dried lamb stew on the wood stove. This is the dried lamb I made last night. I'm just cutting it up into bite-sized pieces and adding it to a pot of hot water on the stove. This stew could be made anytime, but I think of it more as a camp meal. Something you can make after a hard day in the woods using the ingredients you had available. I'd say I have about 4 cups of water here simmering. I'll bring it up to a boil in a little bit, but we're just going to add this dried meat to the water. It's going to rehydrate it. So this dried meat keeps for a long time. It's lightweight and handy for a quick meal while working or traveling. But it can get really monotonous and tough on the jaw. So this is going to soften up the meat. It could take between a half an hour and an hour to rehydrate it. So far in this pot, it's just the dried meat and water, and it smells so good. It's been simmering for about half an hour or so. I just tried a piece. It's almost to the softness that I like. And now I'm going to add some other ingredients. This stew would be a welcome meal back at camp. And I've had it before at the cabin. But the main point of this video is to show you what you could do with dried meat. You can tweak this recipe according to your taste and what you have on hand. Today I'm just using some pantry items, some canned vegetables, and some onion soup mix. It's going to be real simple. This meat looks fully hydrated now. And if this is all you had, you could have it just like this with some bannock maybe. I'm going to add some onion soup mix. And my vegetables. You could go total homemade from scratch if you want, but give that a stir and let that simmer for a while. There's my dried lamb stew. I have a couple pieces of toast to go with it. I'm going to put this back in the fridge and it'll be even better tomorrow.